On today's episode of S&R Motoring, you can actually see and hear what we're talking about. Okay, so something odd happened. We got our very first fan mail. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. We have no idea what's in it. It's still sealed. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside.
A rock. That's my guess.
I still think it's a spring-loaded boxing glove.
That would be awesome. Don't give anyone any ideas.
You ready?
Do it.
It's our first package. Let's do it. Ready?
Yeah. Drum roll, please.
Let's see.
Well, it didn't explode. It's a good sign.
Dude.
Is it a rock?
No. No. Oh.
2 rocks.
This is awesome. I think this is the nicest thing that anybody has ever done for us. Ever. Dude.
I don't know. Mark let us use his garage. That was pretty nice.
But he's family. A complete stranger that we've never met before. Gosh, a GoPro.
Damn! Wow.
I don't even know what to say. And a memory card. Like, that dude.
I think a thank you.
Well, yeah.
Huge thank you.
Yeah. I don't even know what to say. What? It's freaking GoPro Hero 7. Like, Tim Powell, you get a free shirt. A free hoodie. It's whatever you want. What do you think, Randall?
I don't know. I'm speechless too.
Open it up.
Is there a bomb inside?
So sweet.
That is.
Dude, thank you so much. Like, you have no idea how much this means to us.
Yeah. I don't even know what to say. I really don't.
Well, this video is going to look a lot better, that's for sure. And sound better.
That's crazy.
It's recording.
Is it pretty?
Yeah, I can get like real close.
That's
far
probably
away.
not a good thing.
I can get the whole car in the shot. Like,
Oh, so now, like...
You can see all the trash. See all the...
So, like, when we're standing here, we don't have to, like,
Yeah.
cuddle up together
Yeah, we
to
won't-
get in the shot.
Won't have to cuddle anymore.
I'm sad about that.
Are you?
Yeah, so we made a pretty big mistake. When we said this, now when installing these, the directions say that the little, can you see it?
No.
Can you see it? Can you see it?
No. Yep, there you go.
The little
Notch?
right there faces the exhaust side. We were completely wrong. Turns out that there is a little dimple inside the piston that faces towards the exhaust side. So yeah, we had the pistons completely backwards, but no one ever said we were professionals. So today we're gonna start working on the front of the motor, and we're gonna start putting all the oil pump and the timing chain and gears and on and all that good stuff. One thing I didn't notice, or I didn't really pay attention to, was that I already had a balance shaft elimination kit on the car. So, but I went ahead and ordered a new one because, like I said, I didn't realize I had one. So yeah, we're gonna get started on that. Pick a gasket, any gasket.
You know what you're doing?
No, I already said we didn't.
Okay, good. Hey, this is a family show, all right?
Looking for the oil pump gasket.
There's not one.
I think that might be it. Where'd the oil pump go? Right in front of me. I think we have a winner.
Bingo bango.
Bongo. All right. Let's look up and see how to do this right the first way. The first time.
I'm sorry, Grandpa. I'm so sorry.
See the new motor?
What motor is that?
An FANGTE.
Fanged.
So on the front of the motor, there's this little shelf that bolts right here, and when you're putting your timing chain and cam gear on, it sets on that shelf. Yeah, I can't find it. So I'm gonna have to try and track down a new one, I guess, before we button everything up so we can get all the timing marks and everything right. But we're gonna go ahead and put the timing chain gear on and the oil pump and the oil pump gear on, and just go from there and put the pickup tube on and just get as much done as we can without that little shelf. If it's really that necessary, like, leave a comment below. Just let us know if we really need that, or if you have one, let us know. Thank you. It's our parts washer. I don't even know what that's pointing at. Filthy. Just filthy. Thought dude cleaned this when he machined it.
You pissed them off.
Just for future reference, if you ever bring anything to a machine shop, make sure that it is spotless. At least the one here that we use. in the good old Myrtle Beach.
Where's the mark at? Oh, right there?
Yeah.
That groove? That's why you need that shelf.
Huh?
That's why you need that shelf.
What?
So you can line your marks up.
Yeah.
Like you could take,
Let me see that.
if you had your gear on there, you go ahead and it would, it would sit just like that.
Yeah.
And then,
I guess we answered our question about the shelf, so yeah, we need a shelf. Maybe I can find an old one at my brother's house, but it's been a year since this motor has been apart, so who knows where that thing is.
It's already moved.
But we're just putting it on just to.
Yeah, but I mean, as far as getting it lined up, we're wasting our time. This you're definitely gonna have to edit.
So what we can tell from the interwebs is that on the balance shaft elimination kit on the chain and the mark on the crankshaft sprocket, those are what line up. But if I'm wrong,
Won't be the first time.
please tell me.
All right. Kind of looks like a motor.
So we're not torquing everything down yet because we gotta get that shelf somehow, or find the shelf.
What goes up there? What goes in there?
All right, that's gonna wrap it up today. A little piece of advice: don't wait a year before you put your motor back together. Or if you do, make sure you have everything labeled in a nice, orderly fashion. Because I gotta go parts hunting at my brother's garage.
AKA SNR 1.
I want to give another big thank you to Tim Powell for sending us this awesome GoPro that you can actually see and hear what we're saying through. Yeah, thanks.
If you'd like to support the channel, check out sandrmotoring.com or check us out on Patreon.
And as always, we thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave us a comment, a nice one please, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.
See you.
Bye.